Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn next part of nature created man and woman as equal. Yesterday we have seen Miss Ashangvi. She really proud of her husband and means she said to her daughter Lanthoi because means there are in our society means women nowadays also means there is inequality in our society because women does not have the freedom, their family does not give the freedom to them to instead of that these family they are the these men of this family they dominate to these women, okay, dominate to these women. And they and that's why and God has sent, but God has sent to men and women means earth to joy, to share the joy and sorrow equally, joy and sorrow or happiness or sadness to equally. And he's blessing it to enjoy the beauty of nature equally. And this is only your topic, like this way she explained to her daughter. Now next, Ashangvi knows well that men and women are equal. Women, who are half of the human race, are as important as men. Ashangvi see known very well. Men and women they are equal. Equal. Women who are half of the human race means whatever means if you are saying that there are means family and the husband and wife, they are the two wheels of this family, two wheels of this family. If one wheel is broken, then this family also broken, understood? And means these women are the half of the human race, half of the human race, okay. Means these स्त्री आणि पुरुष हे फॅमिलीची दोन चाकं आहेत, त्यातलं एक जरी चाक निखळलं तरी ती फॅमिली पूर्ण कोलमडते, ओके. as important, that's why woman is as important as men. She writes and talks about such topics, and she writes and talks about such means she always write because she is the activist, and she always write means she wrote many articles related to the topic of women, okay. Her daughter, though a child, also understand well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. And her daughter, she is a child, she is a small girl, but she also understand how her mother is not less than her father. Her mother is not less than her father. She is not a lesser quality person, okay. She says our home is full of love with your mother, with you mother. And she also appreciate to her mother, our home is full of love because of you, okay, because of you mother. You see, like this way she also proud of her mother. The mother beams with joy at the word of her daughter, and when she said this water, and that's why mother beams with joy, and she really beams means rays of hope, rays of hope, rays with joy. And she really means that when her daughter appreciate to her that time that words is of her daughter, okay, it's a beams of joy. These words gives the beams of joy to the Ashangvi. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family, and mother, she is a fountain, okay. Fountain of love means she is really a means full of love, okay, मतलब प्रेमाचा झरा, understood? She is a fountain of love in a family. This bond of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. And this beyond of love is comparison. Means we are not comparing this comparative. This bond of love means mother's love. We are not compared to anything. We are not compared to anything because mother's love is only mother's love. Okay. It is because of this It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. And it is because of this that motherhood has been glorified. Glorified means praise. Motherhood. Motherhood means aipan. Okay, has been glorified and women accept the challenge in life. Okay, मतलब आई होती है, माई होती है. And that's why only women can accept the challenge in life to become a mother. She can accept many challenges. If you are if your mother is at home, but she is every day, she is doing many work. She is doing many work. We are not compare her work to any other work. Any other work. If you give the salary to your mother, then this salary is the 10% more than your father's salary. Understood? Means like this way, your mother's work is really a great work for your family. Okay, like this way here in this lesson also means Lanthoi's mother, she is also really a when Lanthoi she expressed means she said you are the full of love with our family. That time these words give the beams with joy to the Ashanti. You want to also appreciate to your mother. Okay, showing deep affection, Ashangbi continues, pioneer women testify to the equality of women with men. Showing deep affection. Deep affection means deep love. Showing deep love, Ashangbi continues, and she continues to explain. Pioneer women testify. Pioneer means a person who is among the first to take up a, see here meaning is a person who is among the first to take up a cause, especially in a new region. Okay, a person who is among the first to take up means she is a pioneer. Woman, she is a pioneer because woman only can accept. She can accept many challenges. She can adjust. She can adjust anything. Okay, she can adjust anything. And testify means provide proof, evidence. And see wherever she is going. Okay, wherever she woman is going, they testify to them. Women testify to them. Okay, women provide, they prove themselves. They prove themselves. They shows their quality, inner quality to the world. Okay. Actually, life is not possible without both women and men. And life, it is not possible only without both women and men. Because for that, for the life, both were need there. Understood? Means not only one person can achieve anything. For that, we need the support. And means women and men, they can support to each other. Like your father and mother, they can support, and that's why your family become the successful. Lanthoi has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women. Her grandfather has narrated many stories of brave queens like Lincoln Gambi and Kuran Ganyani. Okay, means her mother. She gives the example of many pioneer women, many brave women. Okay, brave women. And her means her grandfather also tells when she is telling the story to the Lanthoi. That time she tells the story to the brave queen like Linthoi Gambi. Means these are the queen from northeast part of India. Like our Jhansi Ki Rani. Understood? Like this way, these are queens also brave queen. Okay. Tomorrow we will explain next part of the lesson. Okay. Thank you.